Inabidi tusimame tu, huyo anaweza akapoteza watu. Yaani bado hajaona nini kabisa.
Kitu gani baba?
Anaweza kuja kuangalia watoto. Yeah, those calves, they can be about a month old.
Okay.
Yeah. Because, you know, it's about 10 days, 10, 15 days, it's hiding.
Yeah.
But if you come here after 2 months later, you can see about this big. Yeah.
Maybe is this likely to be the first time she's taken them to the rest of the pride?
I mean, after she gives birth in a hiding place,
Yeah.
so she can keep going around there. So now it seems that the calves are already able to move.
Yeah.
So she must going to follow the other pride down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So she can keep moving, but very slow. Not in, yeah.
Get through.
So they'll be in the front. You see what she doing? She get the smell of the other where they've been passed around.